Hey, it's Paul. In today's video we are going to program a factorial checker in Python. So, a factorial of a non-negative number n is the product of all positive integers less than or equal to n. So let's actually implement a factorial checker in Python. We start off by defining a function, and let's just call it factorial, and this function takes an input called n. So that's the number that we want to know the factorial of. And then the very first thing we have to do is check if n equals 0 or n equals 1. If this is the case, we can just return 1, because the factorial of both 0 and 1 is 1. And else we return the number n times, and now we recursively call the function factorial again and we pass n minus 1. So let me explain this step for you. Say we call the function with n equals 3. Then we return 3 times factorial of n minus 1, which is factorial of 2. And this again calls itself and returns 2 times factorial of 1. And this is the last case and we just return 1. And so if we substitute these values back, then factorial of 2 returns 2 times 1, which is 2, and factorial of 3, which called factorial of 2, is equal to 3. So 3 times 2 is 6, which is the factorial of n equals 3. So let's just go ahead and actually call the function. So we can, inside of a print statement for instance, we can call the function and pass 3, and you can see we get the correct factorial, which is 6. So it's 3 times 2 times 1. Or let's just say factorial of 5, and we get 120 because 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is 120. So you can see it's actually very easy to calculate factorials manually in Python, so without using any library. If you want to learn more about Python, then feel free to subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye.